Hello, my love. Welcome to this space of calm, healing, and transformation. Today, we begin a gentle journey inward, using the power of positive affirmations to shift your mindset, elevate your energy, and create lasting change in your life. Affirmations work by gently reshaping the way you think, feel, and believe. With repeated listening, they help create new neural pathways in your mind, supporting growth, confidence, peace, and abundance. Listen to this audio every day for at least 21 days. Allow it to become part of your routine. There is nothing you need to force, simply relax and receive. Before we begin, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your body soften. Let your shoulders drop. Know that you are safe here. You are worthy of love, joy, peace, and success. And now, let's begin. I have the power to change my life. I have the power to change my life. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I am grateful to live an abundant life. One, choose gratitude, and gratitude multiplies. I release all limiting beliefs that no longer serve me. I gently let go of old stories and step into my truth. Every day, in every way, my life gets better and better. I trust myself. I trust my intuition. I trust the timing of my life. I am aligned with my higher self and my true purpose. Everything is unfolding exactly as it should. I am resilient. I am strong. I can overcome any challenge that comes my way. I have everything I need within me. I always have. I radiate love, compassion, and kindness. I give love freely, and it returns to me multiplied. I am surrounded by supportive and loving people. I allow myself to receive love with ease. I release fear, and I choose to lead with love. Love guides my thoughts, words, and actions. I forgive myself. I forgive others. Forgiveness frees my heart and my mind. I love and respect myself deeply. My self-worth is uncheckable. I honor myself by setting healthy boundaries. I protect my energy with grace and confidence. I prioritize my health and well-being. I prioritize my inner peace. I am calm. I am grounded. I am at peace with who I am. I attract positivity and opportunities effortlessly. The universe is always working in my favor. I attract success and prosperity with ease. Abundance flows to me naturally. The better it gets, the better it gets. Life continues to surprise me in beautiful ways. I trust the universe to guide me. I am exactly where I am meant to be. I believe in myself and my unlimited potential. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I boldly create a life I love. My life reflects my inner growth. I am grateful for all of life's blessings, seen and unseen. Everything I desire is already making its way to me. I receive with an open heart. Take another deep breath in and gently exhale. Let these affirmations sink deeply into your subconscious. There's nothing more you need to do. Repeat these affirmations daily and trust the process unfolding within you. You are powerful. You are supported. You are becoming the highest version of yourself, sending you love, light, and peace.